he's just gonna fucking trash you. Don't hit the old lady now.
Go on green.
Oh Jesus. Oh, we might be all right. First.
When will I know what you know?
Make sure you're in track mode. That'll go green first.
The arrow?
Yeah, I hope. Sometimes the shit switches. When Tommy's Golf R versus my brother's Trackhawk.
Racing in the middle of the fucking ghetto.
Alright, go ahead.
I didn't know that shit was gonna turn. You're like, alright, go ahead. I'm like,
yo, honestly, this shit I might keep up. This shit
it's
might
gonna.
keep, I think it's
if
gonna.
we can launch at the same time,
Yeah.
I think it'll be close.
Right.
That thing does move out though. That
Look at
shit's
it,
gonna fucking wheelie.
60s hard,
Yeah.
like real hard. Alright, so when Tommy's going for daza swap, right?
Yep.
Anything done to the motor?
Nope.
Bone stock and a Golf
Stock
R.
airbox. Stock Rs3 muffler with just a center section, and it's got a front mount and a downpipe, catless downpipe.
I'm not even gonna lie, it's a badass Golf. I don't like Volkswagens, but this ain't no Volkswagen. You can basically call it,
It's different.
it's a mini R8.
Yeah.
I think you should upgrade the fucking turbo.
I could.
Make like
I'd have to build the motor because they like to blow rods at like 600 or 500 foot-pounds.
for real? I don't even know if I want this anymore.
You just do rods and pistons, and a hybrid, you can go to 1200 horsepower.
Yeah, this car looks completely factory though. It's not like a fucking Civic.
Exactly.
Back seats look fucking great. The seats look good. I'm fucking surprised that Alex got all this shit in here. Like seats,
Brakes.
everything. The full exhaust. You said gas tank.
Yeah. So engine, trans, diff, gas tank, drive shaft, seats, steering wheel, muffler.
This is pretty much
Just an RS3 though.
RS3
Light
in a small car. Yeah, really light. If I bought this, I'd cut the fuck out of the car and street race it.
It'd be fast.
Like 1,000 horsepower. People would sleep on this shit all day because of Volkswagen.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to go out to like the street races you go out to with it on E and just play stupid with it like this. So this is the coolest part. So now it's quiet.
Super fucking
If I just
quiet.
rolled up like this, people would be like, oh, that's probably not fast.
I know how to get there. Question, is there any like weak points on this car?
No.
Like diff or,
7-speed.
or drive shaft?
Nothing.
Yo, this is a great daily fucking driver though.
It's so good.
Good on gas?
Yeah, it's already 22. I'm getting 18.9 beating on it.
Got Bluetooth, AC,
Yeah.
heated seats.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, this might be one of the greatest dailies there is right
sick.
now.
4 people fit comfortably.
The good thing is it's not like, it's not crazy expensive where someone can't afford it.
Right.
So,
And it's like the shell, I don't want to say it's cheap, but it's pretty cheap at 30 grand. Like you can get a Golf R for like 20 to 30 grand.
how much did you spend on a crash car?
30.
30 grand?
Yeah.
Just
So it's 30 crash car, 30 Golf R,
Uh-huh.
15 labor.
That's not bad.
So sus.
It's actually fucking a great strip.
Really is dead.
It is, you gotta just watch the rear view. So we just got jumped on the connector. We're gonna race Tommy's Golf R versus my brother's Trackhawk from a dig. Full quarter mile. I don't know. Drop in the comments who do you think you got, cause it's gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be,
I don't know.
I think it's gonna be close.
That Trackhawk moves out.
That Trackhawk 60, you gotta be on the light though.
Yeah, that's what's gonna be hard. Because if he's doing the honk, he's gonna give me with the.
You should do the honk.
And he's gonna fuck it.
Yeah. You should leave on the second honk. You heard?
Scumbag him.
Yeah, scumbag him.
We doing it right here?
Right underneath the bridge. Or you can start right here, that's cool.
Oh, under the bridge.
Racing the Golf R versus my brother's Trackhawk quarter mile from a dig. You ready, bro?
Pulling timing right now.
I ain't gonna lie, that Trackhawk leave is out though.
It's out.
That Trackhawk.
We stayed with it pretty good down low, but when we hit third, I could feel it just gutless.
Your car spun.
Yeah.
It spun like really bad.
But I could feel it when we hit third, it just go gutless. So like when we drive home, you'll feel it. Not every pull is the same, and that's a problem with like new power, especially turbo cars. The torque vectoring and the shit they do. And I'm not making excuses, it like won, but every other pull is just totally different.
This car is like, I don't know about these, but it's not like boost by gear.
No, it just like has a bunch of so factory. It takes a lot of information from like the diffs and stuff, but because it's swapped, it's got different diffs than factory.
They didn't make it right.
And it's got different diffs in factory, so it doesn't have those like modules that normally would tell it like what to do. So it just, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But I could feel when we got to third, it was just flat on its face.
Yeah, I think you should give Tommy the brake. Alright, no, give him the brake, just give him the brake. Well, the brake, I would just give him the brake, he'll be alright. Alright, that's cool.
What does that mean?
He's gonna give you a car head start in the leave, so you get to leave first.
So I just leave whenever I want?
You leave whenever you want, and he has to chase you.
I don't think I need a car in that scenario, do you?
You might need a car. You were a car.
Yeah, I was like
a car back.
Like a car and a half back.
Yeah, so all on his react, I think it'll be an even run.
You think that'll even it up?
Yeah, so that's what we usually do when like cars, other cars faster. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
What do you say?
We're gonna turn back around and do the same thing. Yeah, so I think it'll be even. You leave first, they'll give you a car head start, and it'll be dead on. Did you turn the exhaust valve on that one?
Yeah.
This shit spun.
Yeah, I mean, if you drove this for like a week, you'd see what I'm talking about. And then like it did a weird shift 1 to 2.
It did.
You felt that too.
It was kind of late.
That wasn't good either. If we're spinning when it does the shift, it fucking.
Can you manually shift it?
I can, but it's weird. It's done weirder shit that way. Like there's no check engine lights, there's no problems with the car, but like, you know,
obviously traction's off, right?
Traction's off. That's the only way you can do launch control. Yeah. Traction off, sport mode.
I ain't even gonna lie though, it's a pretty fast fucking car. Don't sleep on this car. The Trackhawk is fucking quick. Trackhawk used to make 750 right to the flywheel.
Yeah, I think it makes 7 something flywheel, 740 or something.
But the Trackhawk is heavy as fuck. It doesn't spin.
Well, that's why launch is so good, because it's so fucking heavy. And these are really front wheel bias, where that's like rear wheel. So when the weight goes, like we're spinning mostly fronts, you know. It's all-wheel drive, but the rear just kind of pushes you along.
What kind of tires are on here?
Advent AO52s. They're like R comps for. Actually, I think they're 200 treadwear, so they're like, you know, handling tires, not drag racing tires, obviously.
They're gonna bust a U-turn right here.
Oh.
To get back on that connector. What can you put a swap from a Trackhawk into something else?
Yeah, well, it's the same thing as a Hellcat engine.
Can you put that shit into like
one dude did it in a Miata? Some guy did it in a Miata. The Colorado, you would just want the engine I had, the LT. Or an LSA, like from the CTSV.
You need to put a fucking Trackhawk swap in a Civic.
Keep it all-wheel drive.
Should be crazy.
That's like 4-wheel drive. That's not even all-wheel. Actually, are those all-wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are all-wheel.
Yeah. At the time he's getting a car, basically a Golf R, and the brake means he leaves first, and then whenever my brother sees him leave, my brother leaves. So it's technically like a 2-car head start.
That's a pretty brutal head start. So that doesn't have launch control. He's just like left.
No, it has track mode.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, so he races it in track mode. The shift points are different. I think the same thing. The exhaust opens up. How are we looking back? I think
there's cars.
Is there?
I just want this thing to like do what it's supposed to do.
Is there any cars?
There wasn't, but we saw them when we got on. Yeah, they're there. There was like a truck. Yeah, there it is. A couple cars.
This is pretty sketchy, huh?
I guess. What's gonna happen?
Nothing's gonna
What's
happen.
worst case scenario?
Nothing.
You get a ticket. Damn it. They're so spread out too. So he's just gonna stop a car behind me.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna launch and
He's gonna launch and then leave.
okay.
It's gonna be fucking great. You think you're gonna win this race?
I don't know. If I don't, it's clearly slower. It's clearly slower.
If you
right?
don't, then you have to sell me the car for half price what you told me.
Shut the fuck up. Oh shit, alright, ready?
Yeah.
Fuck! It's not doing it. It would not launch.
It wouldn't launch control.
Oh, my traction control isn't off. I'll need that off. Alright, ready?
A lot fucking better.
That was a lot better.
That was like really smooth too. Not bad. Had to have been the gas.
It had to be.
Yeah.